Oh, fuck. Almost got another haircut. Jesus.
What do you plan on having this mount to?
These brackets to the cross member.
Okay.
These are gonna get welded to here
Okay.
at an angle like that. You know what I mean?
Okay. And then are you going to tack and weld this centerpiece?
Yeah.
Or, okay.
Yeah, all that's gonna get
Got it.
welded.
Got it.
Let's see if this shit works. Fuck. I made them out of cardboard and they work, so hopefully they work now.
Since it's on camera, let's hope so. Or not.
I'm a fucking genius, I swear to God.
Yeah.
That's the one, but I had taken it over there so I could weld over there.
The cord's hanging right there.
Oh, fuck. I didn't see it, dude. I'm not wearing my glasses, dog. Fuck, I lost them.
What's on your face?
No, these are safety glasses. I lost my regular glasses.
Well, you found that cord just fine. It was all the way over there.
Well, because I had it hooked up to my welder. These are gonna come at an angle like this to get a nice weld back here and in here. And then from right there, I was gonna gusset this, all this right here, and then do like some little round flare like they do right here, like right here. You know what I mean? So in case water got in there, like.
Let's put it up there so the arm won't reach there. Go down. Go for it. Tack it on and we'll look at it.
All right. I kind of wanted to. No, fuck it. We'll do it like that.
Huh?
No, I was gonna clean these plates up more, you know, so it won't be all that slag on it. But I
I'm not worried about that.
no. All right.
The one we talked about yesterday, we didn't have it curved. They were just straight.
I swear to God, you're like.
You didn't show me. Where's it at? I'm telling you, that piece that we held up there yesterday didn't have.
Like I'll dig it out of the trash can to show you.
Oh boy.
I gave you 4 pieces of proof, dog, and you're gonna come up with it.
No, you did not. You never showed me the original.
The original.
Here we go
Word.
again. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, this is the original. Look,
He's got so many.
it's the one that's flat here, and I had made a little leg, but I told you lick funny.
Yes. Yes.
That's the one.
Where's it at?
That's the one that has the circle.
You haven't
drawn
shown
on
me
it.
one without a little leg. That one you showed me with the little leg had the circles. Mandy.
What's up?
But where's the circles?
That's the other one that's in the trash can. It's the same thing.
Okay. All right. Cool.
Thank God it's Thursday. Oh,
Thank God.
Oh God.
I'll be thinking about you tomorrow.
Oh, thanks. That's fucked up.
Motherfucker. I'm drinking a beer in the fucking boat.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
You don't know how to fish.
I was wondering what that gesture was with your hands.
You don't know how to fish.
Maybe I'll give you a slice of tuna. I don't know. I'll think about it.
I don't want any tuna here. Give me a slice up.
It's fucked up, bro.
That actually is gonna work really nice. That's gonna be like super nice steering.
What makes you say that?
Because I made it.
You don't want any bump steer. And what bump steer is if this, your tie rod in, say this is your lower control arm, and this is your tie rod in, you
Yeah.
don't want them like this. That's bump steer. When you hit a bump in the road, the thing will just go crazy on you. Okay? If it's like this, and they're moving parallel together,
Okay.
and the joints are
And they
at the
work-
same joint,
They work together. Okay.
it's perfect, no bumps here. Nice. It'll be very responsive, it'll handle nice. But if the brackets hold.
Well, thank God they will, because I'm a Welding, so we're,
Well, no,
we're in the
we're-
safe zone, you know what I mean?
We're
Like,
in the safe zone. Alright, do it, man. Let's do it. We got everybody watching me right now.
yeah, I know. Fuck, that's why I hate Thursdays.
That's why I hate Thursdays. It's funny when the cameras aren't here, he's all, "Whoa, what's up? I'm a movie star. I got
Bullshit.
where's my craft services? This is what I drew yesterday."
I was wondering about the shaft and balls. What's this thing?
He's always going to like, kind of like, I don't know. He
What
cares
is that thing?
That's the actual joint he
I
was
was
talking about.
explaining to him, like I just explained to you,
okay.
here's your joints. You want them to be worked together, and then you have them running horizontally. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure that's what that is.
Yeah. Yeah. So then you want them to kind of go out like that.
Is this perfect?
I mean, it could go down a little bit more, but
It's up to you. It's your call.
yeah,
This
come
is,
down a little bit.
this
What,
is
1/8 inch for now, and we'll see how it looks, or
Huh?
should I come down 1/8 inch
Yeah.
and see how it looks?
Perfect. We're gonna have to make new steering arms
why?
because this point has to be
Level.
Further
level with
in.
that, and you got to get the ball joint. So you got to figure you got. If I was to hook the ball joint up to it right now, it'd be like that. And you see, it would probably be okay because you can go in or out. But I'd rather just make it perfect at this point. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Nice, straight, parallel.
It's easier to make it now than when the whole thing's painted and assembled, you know? It
Yeah.
doesn't see right.
But if you look down it, you can see how it is on top of the lower control arm.
Oh, me?
Yep. And come here and see your. You'd actually do that right here. See how it's not running parallel with this?
Yeah, how it's slightly down.
Yes. You don't want that. And if I turn the ball joint around, this would be a nightmare. If the ball
Yeah.
joint went in from the top. See, that's what I'm talking about. You can't have it like that.
So you want to adjust the arms so that
You want it just like this. And right now it's just running dead into this arm.
got it.
So the next arm we're gonna make is gonna be above it or below it?
The next arm,
Well, the set arm.
it looks like we can almost just go straight out.